All right, ready for a cherry dessert? Stick around. What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on. Welcome to our camp. This is Camp Cleaver. I'm Don Cleaver, then you can call me Mr. Don. Today we're going to cook a dessert in our Dutch oven. It's a cherry crescent roll bars. So it should be quick and easy. So first thing we got to do is in a small bowl, combine our pie filling and our almond extract. All right, 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Set that aside. Melt some butter and kind of melt our cream cheese. So let me get that going. And in our oven, I'm going to take a crescent roll, spread this out over the bottom of our pan.
But that's really cool. So are you filming this for
a YouTube channel?
And do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, Camp Wild Ride.
Say it again?
Camp Wild Ride.
Camp Wild Ride.
Yep.
Okay, I am going to remember that. Where are you from?
Colorado Springs.
What is your name?
Don Cleaver.
Scott Hargrove.
How you doing?
Oh, Cleaver. I saw that.
Hi.
How you doing?
My camping apron.
Yep.
Literally filming a YouTube cooking show on Dutch Oven Cooking.
Wow.
Yep. It's not live, of course, because we don't have internet access here. But so I'll go home and edit all this and.
And you stay out of the food, troublemaker.
Yeah.
That's Willie. Willie, stay out of the food.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah, you got jalapenos, you got cast iron, you got everything going. Yeah.
Camp Wild Ride.
Yep. Camp Wild Ride.
Camp Wild Ride.
Yeah.
I've got to look that up, and then I'm going to comment.
So what do we cook? Oh, you're getting your cobbler going.
Yep. We got it's a cherry croissant bar.
Okay. So what is our main course?
We just had a casserole.
Okay.
And yesterday we had enchiladas.
Okay.
and for breakfast we had a lemon cake.
Okay.
And then
Next breakfast we had a coffee.
a coffee and cream cheese
Look, you guys
cake.
are always 300 pounds.
We're not gaining any weight, let me tell you. I was skinny as a rail when I got here.
So now, did you make the dough by hand or?
No,
you buy it?
I'm using this.
Oh yeah,
It's a
perfect.
crescent
That's the
roll.
way to do it.
So you do that. You put
Oh, yeah, got
put the butter on there. You put your cream cheese on there.
Yeah.
And then your berries. Put another
Yeah,
layer on
that's
top.
yeah, that's exactly how we do
Bake
it. Yeah, the same way, man. Yeah. Yeah. I make my dumplings out of that too.
Yep. All right. Good to meet you.
Really nice meeting you guys.
All right. So we take one of our crescent rolls and we put it on the bottom as a base. We're going to brush it with half of our butter and all right, so we're going to brush this butter on there really good and half of the sugar. All right, so now we're going to take our cream cheese. Smooth, it's nice and smooth and melted. I'm going to pour that over the top of this. Smooth that out. Now we're going to top with our cherry pie filling mixing. Nice and even. So we got the cream cheese and then the cherry pie filling. And then even that out and put another crescent roll on top and bake it. All right. Get that to peel. Come on. There we go. There we go.
Yep. Don't you have to put some butter on that top?
Yes. Coat the top. That's remaining butter.
Gooey Bridge. You came down there.
Now that we have everything in, we're going to cover this up and bake it. And because we don't have ability to put charcoals on the top, we use this oven dome to create an oven inside. And it works pretty good. We're still playing with heat to kind of regulate, but I think it works really good. All right, we'll let you know how it turns out.
20 minutes?
20 minutes. All right, let's see how this thing turned out. It's been about 20-25 minutes, so we'll check and see if it's about ready.
Didn't see it. But anyway, this guy wrote it, and I read he wrote it about
Ooh,
Nope.
still a little doughy.
Yep.
All right, so we got about 10 more minutes or so.
Yes.
All right,
And you might want
heat it up just
just
a little.
just-
All right, so a little bit more heat and a little bit longer.
and I would say 10 minutes.
All right, 10 more minutes.
Okay. We do not want it to burn on the bottom.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna check and see how this is doing.
They're perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
Turn your heat on.
Turn the heat off. Give me a. Let's see how the bottom. Yeah, the bottom is crispy. Top is gooey. So it's an ooey gooey.
The gooey crisp.
All right. So this is the cherry croissant roll bars. Very easy dessert to make. It took us a lot longer to do it because we turned the temperature way down low, but they look really, really good. So we'll let you know how it tastes. Again, we thank you for watching, and as Kent Rollins does, we'd like to salute all of our people that served in the military. That keeps the flag flying on our campsite and keeps us free. So thank you very much, and leave a comment if you have a suggestion you'd like to see us do different or have a comment to make. So thank you for watching. All right, bye.